In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Word tools every student should use. Whether you're taking quick notes, writing a research paper, or collaborating on a group assignment, Word has built-in features that can save you time and elevate the quality of your work. Start with the basics: spelling and grammar, powered by Microsoft Editor. As you type, Word flags issues and suggests fixes for clarity, conciseness, and tone. Open the editor pane to review suggestions in one place, and use it as a final pass before you submit. For research, go to the References tab and open Researcher. It lets you search credible sources right inside Word, read summaries, and insert content with citations. It's a great way to gather information without juggling browser tabs. Pair that with Citations and Bibliography in the same tab. Choose your required style, APA, MLA, Chicago, and add your sources. Insert in-text citations as you write, then generate a properly formatted references or works cited page in seconds. When you add or edit sources, the bibliography updates automatically. If you need quick context while reading, right-click any term and select Smart Lookup to see definitions and related information without leaving your document. To keep long documents organized, use styles and headings on the Home tab. Apply Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and so on. This ensures consistent formatting and makes navigation effortless. Then open the navigation pane from the View tab. You'll see a clickable outline of your document based on those headings, and you can drag sections to reorder content instantly. When your headings are in place, insert a table of contents from the References tab. Choose an automatic style and update it whenever your document changes. If you're starting from scratch, explore Templates under File, New. A report or newsletter template gives you a polished structure from the beginning. And when you need a new page, insert a page break instead of pressing Enter repeatedly. On Windows, use Ctrl+Enter to keep your layout clean. For collaboration, turn on Track Changes in the Review tab so every edit is highlighted. Use comments to leave notes or questions without altering the text. If your document is saved to OneDrive or SharePoint, co-authoring lets multiple people work in real time, which is perfect for group projects. For accessibility and focus, Immersive Reader can read text aloud, adjust spacing, and change background colors. And if you think faster than you type, click Dictate on the Home tab to turn speech into text, then refine it with Editor. Many of these features are included at no cost for eligible students and educators through the Office 365 education plan, so be sure to check your access and start taking advantage of them today.